Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ezinma and this is what mommy loves. So for today's video, I'm going to share with you guys my May favorites, all the products that I love so much and I got in May. I'm going to share them with you guys, and also this video is a collaboration with some fantastic mommy vloggers. I'm going to leave the links to their channels in my description box, so go check it out. Just click on the description box and then you'll see a link to their videos. So let's crack on, shall we? So the first product that I would recommend is the Zoflora. Like, if you haven't heard about Zoflora, you need to find it. It's on Amazon, it's on Tesco, it's on Asda. Like, the list is endless anyway. So you guys go check out Zoflora. This one I got in April and I loved it, so I got this one in May. So this is just the bouquet scent. It's amazing. It smells so fresh, but the thing is, it's actually concentrated disinfectant, so you have to dilute it with some water, but you just need to spray just a little on any surface and then clean off, and the scent of your whole house will just smell so clean. Like, you literally do not need any candles, you don't need any scented candles or any air freshener. You just need Zoflora. I'm telling you, you need Zoflora. I'll leave a link in my description box where you can get it from Amazon. Quick, go grab it. You just need Zoflora and your house will smell so clean. This one is the springtime. Sorry, this one is Hella Spring, and you just need to dilute it with water. So I have a spray bottle that I use, and I just pour like a little in the spray bottle, and then I will just, you know, spritz my whole house and then clean off with a microfiber cloth. And then this one is the bouquet flavor. What am I saying? This one is the bouquet flavor. Sorry, this one is the bouquet scent, and I haven't tried this one yet, but it smells divine. It smells so good. So I highly recommend this 3-in-1 Zoflora. It kills bacteria and viruses, it eliminates odors, and it has freshness all day. And trust me, it's all day, 24 hours freshness guaranteed. Zoflora is the best. I got a Method bathroom cleaner in April and I loved the bathroom cleaner. It cleans so well. My bathroom was just smelling divine and it was shining. It was so clean, so fresh. So I had to go in May to get this one. So this is the multi-surface cleaner. So this one can clean worktops, tiles, stone, wood and glass. So I love this product so much and it's just perfect. So if you don't want to buy the bathroom cleaner and the kitchen cleaner separately, you could just buy the multi-surface cleaner and it cleans almost anything really. So it smells so good. But I love this one because the scent is not so soft. It's subtle, so it's not so strong. So if you don't like strong scents, then this is perfect. And this is the French lavender, as in it cuts grease and grime. It's a very good product. I love this product so much. I'll highly recommend this product. If you haven't seen the Method range yet, go check it out. It's perfect. The next product is Lenor Unstoppables. Like, I've been hearing about Lenor Unstoppables, so I decided to try it out, and I would highly recommend this product. This is one of my favorite products for May. I love the scent. Whenever I wash my clothing or, you know, our family clothing, I always put this in the drum of the washing machine and it just adds that scent to the clothes. Your clothes don't just smell just, you know, blah, just like that. This one makes it smell even better. So it is just like this. It looks like little pebbles. It just looks like little pebbles like that, and it just, you know, it just smells, even as I just opened it now, it smells so good. So it's easy to open, it's easy to throw into your washing machine, it's easy to use, and I absolutely love the scent. It makes your clothes smell fresh and new, so it's an amazing product. Go get your Lenor Unstoppables. But don't worry guys, I'll leave a link in my description of where you can get them on Amazon, so you could have them delivered to you on time. Another favorite product of mine is the Ikea busunge bed. It has this Scandinavian design and it looks so modern and fresh. It extends, you can extend the mattress and the bed itself, and it can grow with your child. The kids love sleeping on it. So moving on, we're moving to books. I got these styling for Instagram. Yes. So I'm trying to like step up my Instagram game. So Instagram is a visual art. In everything you have to learn. You have to learn whatever it is you are after. You have to learn creativity. You have to learn the arts. You have to learn the styles. So obviously we all love a beautiful Instagram page of anyone that you like, you know, with their perfect styling on Instagram. So I decided to get this book. Someone recommended the book on Instagram and I checked it out on Amazon, and it's by Lila Seed. It's just an amazing book. It's called Styling for Instagram, and as you can see here, these are the pictures. The book gives you like ideas of how to style for Instagram. You could have, you know, different things that you could photograph and different positions where you can put a subject of any photo and just frame your photo properly. It teaches you about lighting, about composition. There are like a ton of information that you could actually get from this book. So if you're like me and you like Instagram, you like creativity, you like arts and all of that, then you can definitely get this book. Next product that I recommend, that is my favorite product for me. I left it for the last because it's the best product. Yes, the product is a Bible. Hooray! So I've been using the King James version of the Bible for so long, and the English is old English. You know, that kind of English that's like, thy kingdom come, thy will be done. You know, this kind of old English. So I've been using that Bible for a very long time. So I decided to up my game because I want to develop my Christian lifestyle, and I want to, you know, draw closer to Christ, and I just love his message about love. I just want to have a personal relationship with Christ, and so I got the Bible, and this is the New Living Translation, and this one is so easy to read. It's just perfect. It's a very beautiful story, you know. So that's it, guys. Those are my favorite products for May, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, make sure you give me a thumbs up, comment down below, let me know your favorite product for this month, and also, as usual, let me know anything and everything. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys subscribe to my channel. Please, please, please support your girl. Support your girl. Please subscribe to my channel. I post videos weekly, and I just want you guys to join my family. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.